What up, everybody? Welcome back to build series number 2, Ducky Johnson's X275 car. Jay's put it on the Jenny Craig diet of just cutting off as much stuff as we can, that's useless. We don't need this anymore. So we'll get you some weights in a little bit, but yeah, that's what he's cut off now. And then he is currently working on the wing, getting it replaced with carbon, replacing all the aluminum stuff with carbon. So that's it. Let's cut to the cool stuff. Yeah, once you cut a car apart to lose weight, the only thing to do then is spend money to lose weight. Yeah. Because then you're buying titanium bolts and more carbon fiber, titanium hardware. This car's getting titanium link bars, which we've never done before. I don't think we've done before. Huh. So yeah.
But you've cut out all the possible weight you could get out of it.
Not 100%, but because the cage was already done in this car before it came to us, there's stuff that I would have cut out. Yeah. But we can't now. It's just not feasible to get in there and do it now.
Just this alone, that doesn't make that much of a difference in weight, right?
It will. Yeah. We'll weigh them both when they're done. Once I get this cut, and we'll see what the weight difference is. Yeah, this is different fiber material than the normal carbon fiber too.
Really?
Because, well, the deck has to be a little bit more rigid than the flat carbon that's inside the car.
Did you weigh the decks yet?
No, I'm gonna cut them first.
Oh, yeah.
It's only fair that they're the same size.
That's true, that's true.
But I can't put a brake on the end of this like that one has, so I'm gonna have to make a
ribbon strip, yeah.
Some sort of ribbon strip, so that'll add a little bit.
Oh, weight, yeah.
Don't need to be out. Jason was like, "We'll just weld window tabs." Window tabs aren't the same gap as that brake either, so you know what I mean. If you weld them together, the holes still aren't going to be in the same spot. So we'll see how it ends up.
So even with the carbon and then having to build a strip or make a strip thing to attach those two, it'll still come in under weight than interesting.
Yeah, I'm sure this whole sheet weighs less than that wing does, that deck.
Definitely.
So usually when I sand carbon fiber, it's like a white dust. And see how that's black? That's the gnarly stuff. That's the bad stuff. So that's why it smells like that. That's real deal freaking carbon fiber dust, and it's gnarly. When it gets like in between your fingers, it's just like crazy. Rough cut. I just got this inside part to do yet. Yeah. I got it in my eyes though.
Gotta get your what? Your eyes?
I got it in my eyes. Oh, yeah. I was using that one, and I started like a weird angle or whatever, and it just blew right in my face. So I feel it. Ain't the first time. Usually it goes away pretty quick.
So this is the original wing.
Try to keep it from bouncing so much so we get a really good reading. And then you just push the button?
Yep. Put that little hole button. What we got?
6 pounds, 12.6 ounces.
Alright. Let's go get the carbon wing that you just made up. Yeah. What was your guess? 2 pounds what?
2 pounds and some ounces.
Alright, 2 pounds and some ounces.
Guess. I might have overshot.
He's been a betting man lately, playing scratch offs.
Yeah.
Let's see if we're right.
Whoop. Is it touching? No, we're not touching.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get my fat finger in here. I was right. I was freaking right, boys.
Where we at?
2 pounds, 12.2 ounces. I was right. I called that shit.
Go get that scratch off. So 2 pounds or 4 pound difference. What was it? 6?
What was the first one? 12 pounds.
No, the other one was
The
6.
first one was 6 pounds, 12.6 ounces. And this one's 2 pounds, 12.2. I did not think it was. Yeah, it was 4 pounds and some change. The most. I did the math and I come up with 3.5 pounds, but Brad proved me I was a stupid idiot. 6 pounds, 12 ounces. 3.5. 3.5.
You said 6 pounds, 12 ounces.
Yes.
To 2 pounds, 6 ounces.
Yes.
That's 4 pounds and 6 ounces lighter.
You're right.
Even better.
Even better. Brad's smarter than me. I'm just a piece of shit game builder.
6.75 to like.
I write on my list. So the wing deck is 4 pounds.
Add it to the list of weight.
Yeah.
On the New Year's resolution
Oh, is that
plan.
what you're writing down?
Yeah. Yeah, the 4-link bars, we haven't made them yet, but they should be 3 pounds. Did you see the hoses? Did you see the
I
hoses?
saw those. I didn't know you were keeping a list.
Yep.
Hang 30 pounds on the... Oh, Jesus.
Well, that's how they were racing it, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we're going to put Lexan quarter glass in?
That's his wish list.
I couldn't believe the hoses were that much lighter.
Oh, these are the new hoses?
Yeah, so these
yeah.
are the old hoses. They were 7 pounds for all the hoses on the front of the motor. The new ones are only 4 pounds. So we saved 3 pounds just on the hoses.
Oh. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, it's a big difference.
That's a big difference. Why are these
So much heavier?
they're double insulated or something? Or
No, it's just, so these are the fittings you make yourself.
yeah.
So they got
These are them
big
hydraulic
bulky
press fit.
aluminum.
These lines are smaller too. Outside diameter.
Yeah, the hose itself is probably thinner. So this is lightweight hose with
Yeah.
the lightweight crimp fittings.
And you know one other thing I just saw? Like, can we get rid of these?
Yeah, we don't need 2 of them.
Doesn't do anything back here.
Yeah, they're never
They
back
never
here.
even used the fire bottle mount or anything.
It's too heavy. The fireball's too heavy, but we ain't got time for safety.
Just let it burn.
Yeah, you can take the struts off because there ain't nothing back here.
Yeah, the struts and then these stubs that stick out of here. And
You might have to cut that.
We can't take the hinges off though.
No, but
No.
we could take
But we
the.
can pop the struts off.
Yeah, them worth a little bit.
I can cut this stupid latch out.
Oh, that. Oh yeah.
As long as the keyway stays in there, I can cut the back of the latch off. Maybe.
I say you ain't even got. Well, I see what you're saying. So it doesn't have just an empty hole.
Yeah. Where it just has the keyway.
I say, just take the. Well, they're not using the key because it's got the
Zeus's.
Zeus's.
Yeah.
You just take the whole lock cylinder out, and we can just make a little piece of carbon and glue it on or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good.
Man, that's exciting that was 4 pounds. You tell Mike.
4 pounds and some change.
That's pretty awesome. So really, the spill plates might maybe be a couple more pounds.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like that's a carbon copy of his wing.
Mike said it would be 6 pounds, and he was dead on.
Come on, guys. Nobody
Well,
got it?
you have to go.
Carbon copy? Come on. Leave me hanging like that.
my
You
bad,
jumped my ass.
Gotta do better with the puns.
Jeez, Pete.
That's a pretty decent
Brett-
pun.
I thought it was a pretty good one, too. That's a carbon copy. Jeez. Left me hanging. I'm better than Brian's dad jokes.
I need a dad joke
You need a dad joke like right now?
right now.
Oh, on the spot. Why was the chicken so funny?
I don't know why.
Because
There we go.
The bucket of metal.
Jaybird's been cutting.
Got a lot out.
Yeah.
What else are you taking out of this? Oh, the hardware.
Yeah. Wrong size. I should have known it was metric.
It's a Mustang.
I know. Everything's 13 or 14 millimeter on it.
Basically a Honda Civic.
Yeah.
See that baby right there?
And it's
America,
a 13 out of
baby.
14.
America. That's got standard size bolts.
Who, Charlie?
Yeah.
John asked me earlier, he said, what's going on with Charlie Brown? I said, he's sleeping. It's winter time, bud. What do you expect?
13 ounces, Joe.
What's that?
strut rod.
Oh, I said 8.
13 ounces.
I wasn't far off, but I was
This
far
is
off.
fun, honestly.
I mean, I'm just
Going down to the little
yeah.
nitty gritty of the. Just about to add an ounce or two.
Look at that. There's Charlie right there, boys. It's all dirty. Point 0.6. Don't cut her short. Wouldn't it be awesome if you could lose weight like this? You just start unbolting stuff.
Easy.
Yeah.
Look at that, 14.2.
It's almost a pound.
Yeah.
Almost.
Brian's got the rear end over on the table. He's taking it apart. What the heck, Jaybird?
I'm just a dumbass race car builder.
Yeah.
Brad tells me I'm an idiot all the time.
Well, you know, join the club. He's the brain. We're all pinkies.
I like the look of it. The carbon on the blue, like it looks
I really like the carbon deck lid.
Yeah,
I like it better than the all blue.
yeah.
For whatever reason, it just breaks it up.
Breaks it up. It
so-
looks nice.
And it's light. That's the biggest thing. Because it's lighter.
Stick an empty bucket on there.
Almost 2 pounds on a bucket. Oh no,
Pound and a half.
pound and a half.
The bucket weighed 1.5 pounds?
Touching the ground. Now we're good. So you already got 17.5 pounds out of it.
Yeah.
Just right there. That's huge.
It's a big chunk.